I'm Chantel, and this is my channel. So what we did was we deposited a color at the root just so it can blend with our natural hair, which is black. And then we went ahead and lifted. So I have 3 different lifting techniques that allows you to just have like that natural color flow without having that line of demarcation with your ombre. And then we follow up with a toner. I just really wanted to make sure I included a toner because I feel like the toner is working with our higher self. I also kind of just gave like a little cute tip of how to do a strand test properly when the hair is processing.
Here is where we're going to mix our deposit color, which is going to be deposited at the roots. I'm using black because my natural hair is black. So I want my extensions to blend with my natural hair color. So that is why I am darkening the roots. After we rinse the hair, we're going to attach the clip-in extensions to one another so that it creates some dimension throughout the highlights. We want to be sure to just comb out the hair after and before each chemical step. Here I am mixing up the bleach. I like my bleach to be thick. thick, just because it allows me to place the color exactly where I want it to go. Here I am weaving the rat tooth comb throughout the extensions to create highlights. We are going to tease the hair up, and the hair that is being teased will not be colored. Everything else will be colored. So I turn the brush vertical just to create more of a natural highlight and to prevent having any type of line of demarcation. Here is more of a freehand highlighting technique. We're going to stroke the hair vertically with a light touch sectioning off the hair and just applying bleach to the sides and the very ends. Here I am using an applicator brush vertically and stroking the hair with a light stroke to create a natural sun-kissed highlight. This is more of a freehand highlight technique that is very quick and easy. So after about 20 to 30 minutes, you want to check on your extensions to make sure that the process is going smoothly and the hair is not being over processed. To be sure of that, we're going to take the hair and place it in between 2 fingers and give it a pull. If the hair bounces back and is very strong, it can probably lift for another 20 minutes. If you are feeling any type of pulling like gum and there is no bounce back or elasticity in the hair, you must rinse out immediately. So the hair processed for about 45 minutes. I've rinsed it thoroughly and now I am applying my toner. Toner is definitely beneficial to get rid of any yellow or orange tones that we want to soften to just be more of a smooth, calm blonde. Processing time for toner is about 20 to 25 minutes. After that, rinse the hair, shampoo the hair, and condition the hair. And this is the results.
It looks very natural. The color flows, it has dimension, and it's just really pretty. Like that's the overall goal, is to have a natural flow of color. As you can see, like the color is flowing very naturally.